A man named John was living the dream, a supportive wife named Emma, a thriving career and a happy life. But sometimes, we take what we have for granted. It started with messages to a colleague named Sophie. A simple hello turned into secret meetings. John felt alive, but deep down, he knew he was breaking trust. One evening, Emma found a message on John's phone. "I can't wait to see you tomorrow." Her heart shattered, but Emma didn't yell. She simply asked, "Why, John? What did I do wrong?" John had no answer. Emma left to heal, and John was left with silence. One day, he found their wedding album. Every page reminded him of the love he had taken for granted. Then John chose to change, not to win his wife Emma back, but to become a better man. He sought help and faced his mistakes head-on, and Emma saw John's efforts. Slowly, they worked together to rebuild what was broken. It wasn't easy, but step by step, trust grew. Years later, they renewed their vows, not to erase the past, but to honor the growth it inspired. John learned that love thrives on honesty, commitment, and second chances.